Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today, Marna is out, not feeling well, and I am substituting for her today, so please bear with me. We are here bringing our interpretation of Grinchmas. This is a collab or a challenge that Tina's Reborns and More puts out every year. We so love the Grinch here. We just watched it, both the original and the live action Jim Carrey. Not Kim, is it Jim Carrey? Yeah, Jim Carrey version just last week or a little over a week ago. Marna put this together here. She has a scarf she was going to wear as well, but you'll have to wait till next year to see that, I suppose. This skirt actually has the Whoville train on the back, and she was able to kind of match that all here in the back as well in the two parts. I think it's really cool, and I do love the Whoville train. Who wouldn't love the Whoville train? So this is Marna's contribution to, and there's no way I'm going to be able to let go of her, and she's going to keep standing. She's in these high heels that don't quite fit. You know, anything for fashion and to look good, I suppose. That's the motto. So here is our submission. Thank you so much, Tina, and everybody else who participates today. If you do participate, I know Marna loves it. If you would leave a note in her comment so she can find you. And Tina, thank you so much for hosting this yet again this year. All have a Merry, Merry Grinchmas.